Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Do I look surprised and shocked? I am, and you know why? Today is February the 6th, and this arrived. My base box is here, and more surprising, my premium arrived also. I've only had both boxes arrive on one occasion, and never this early in the month. I am dying to see what's inside these boxes, and I invite you to join me. If you're interested to see what's inside, then keep watching. For those of you that are unfamiliar with BoxyCharm, it is a multi-tier beauty subscription service. I have the base box and the premium box here with me today. The base box is $25 a month and you receive 5 beauty items. The premium box is $35 a month and you receive 6 to 7 items. So we have a lot to get through. We'll be unboxing both of them. So let's just dig in and get to it. Inside your box each month, you will find a card, and every month has a theme, and very fitting for February, we find the theme XOXO. On the back of the card, you will find a complete listing of all the items in the box, a brief description, a retail value, and a variation code down at the bottom, and I'll include that up here somewhere. This is our base box, so let's dig in and see what's inside. The first item I have is my choice item, and it is from Huda Beauty. This is their Getaway Eye and Face Palette. This features 6 highly pigmented shadows, a blush, and a highlighter. It's enriched with a blend of hyaluronic acid and mango seed butter to help hydrate skin while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and this retails for $36. So here is the eye and face palette. You'll see a highlighter. You'll see 6 different shadows, and there are 4 shimmers and 2 mattes and 1 blush. My first impressions of the palette are, I think it's nice. I like the convenience of having a highlighter, blush, and eyeshadows all together in one face palette, and it's small enough to put in your handbag. But I think the colors are too light for my complexion. So I will not be swatching this. I will be gathering some items together for a future giveaway. So unfortunately, no swatches today, but if you're interested in a giveaway, then keep watching my channel, and I'll be announcing that shortly. The next item I have is from Tula Skincare. Created with powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel, this scrub helps target blackheads to deeply purify and minimize the look of pores, and this retails for $32. And here we have the packaging. So it's a nice blue tube, and let's take a look to see if this has a safety seal, and you'll see that it does. I will not be breaking the safety seal on this. I am currently in the middle of another exfoliant in my shower, so I want to keep this as fresh as possible. So the cap goes back on, and on to the next item in the box. And the next item we have is from Trestique. This is their Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil Eye Duo. The Good Vibes Mascara is the first mascara to combine an eyelash curler and mascara in one product. The eye pencil, formulated for sensitive eyes, features a luxurious, versatile gel formula. This pencil glides on like a liquid but provides pencil precision, and this retails for $44. So here is the mascara itself, and it has this top. Let's take the top off. And it has a flap at the back, and you basically plunge that, which makes the curler go up and down. It does have the bumper, that silicone bumper, to protect your lashes, and you basically just pump that and curl your lash. My first impressions of the product are, it's interesting. It's the first time I've ever seen a mascara and an eyelash curler in one. I'm a little nervous that it's so small. Getting in there with half your eye and then hoping that the lash curl on the next try works out that it's the same amount of curl. I don't know, makes me a little nervous. But I'm anxious to try it, and this definitely wouldn't be something I would use if I was going to an event and it was the first time I was using it. This is something that I would definitely need to try before I go anywhere and I know how to use it, because there's nothing worse than a badly curled eyelash. So here is the eyeliner, and this is in the color Santorini Black Sand, and the cap is rather interesting. It looks as if the eyeliner is already opened and sharpened and ready for use, but that's not the case. It does have a cap, so interesting. So here's the liner itself, and it is an automatic pencil, so you just roll it up. So here's the pencil swatched, and the color is Santorini Black Sand. It was really smooth to swatch. It did not tug, it did not pull or skip. I think it's pretty nice, and as a duo, I think this is a really nice package. That eyelash curler though, I don't know about that one. And the next item is from NCLA Beauty. This is the So Rich Love Potion. You'll heart this limited edition Valentine's Day cuticle oil. The cult favorite So Rich formula contains safflower seed oil and vitamin E to hydrate and nourish your cuticles. And this retails for $18. All right, so I'm gonna try this on the back of my hand with its cute little dropper. And very, very slick oil. Really, really nice. It does have a scent, and the scent that I'm picking up is rose. So if you're not a fan of rose or the rose oil scent, this might not be for you. But as you'll see, it is very, very slick and very hydrating. So while I have it out, just gonna put it on my cuticles. Get some use out of it right away. And the last item we have is from Glamiere, and these look to be brushes. So let's free this from the package and see what these brushes look like. Oh wow, come on. They're not coming out, so I'll be right back. And the last item we have is from Glamiere. This is their Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. Glittery, enchanting, and fun. This set features 4 essential eye brushes. Ultra soft duo synthetic brushes and bristles make blending easy and flawless. And this retails for $29.95. So I've taken them out of their package, and this is what they look like. Really, really pretty, soft pink and white. Really, really cute, and there is a little bit of a surprise element to these brushes. So when you tip them, you get that little snow globe kind of effect. So, so cute. So I've gone ahead and put them back in their sparkly little pouch here, and I think this is really cute for Valentine's Day, along with the cuticle oil with the floating hearts and sparkles. So everything in this box may not be Valentine's Day themed, but these two are, and super, super cute. I love Valentine's Day. Anything pink, sparkly is totally my vibe. Okay, and now we are on to premium. And once again, inside the box, we have the card, XOXO theme, the product listing, retail value, and also the variation, which I will put up here, up at the top. So let's dig in. So the first item is from Elemis, and this was my choice item. This is their Muscle Ease Active Body Oil. It's a fast absorbing body oil that contains a powerful synergy of extracts to help relax and ease tension of tired muscles. It's infused with maritime pine, sea buckthorn, sea fennel, and rosemary essential oil. It envelops you in a calming, uplifting fragrance while softening and soothing the skin. And this retails for $63.50. The packaging on this is gorgeous. It is a cobalt blue in a glass bottle and very, very heavy. I am not an exercise person. Exercise to me is a dirty word. So I'm going to be giving this to my daughter who loves to work out, and I know she'll really appreciate this. I just tried to open this and I kind of like pulled on the cap, and that's not how you open it at all. This little tiny piece here unscrews. So this is actually the cap. Now this does have a scent and it's pretty strong. If you're used to medicinal rubs, this has kind of that same type of scent to it. It's not bad, but it definitely has a scent. And I'm guessing if you're going to be using this as a muscle rub, you're probably already expecting some kind of a scent. So the cap goes back on and in the box it goes. The next item I have is from Huda Beauty, and this is their Pastel Obsessions eyeshadow palette. Create limitless looks from soft, pretty glam to bold runway styles with these pigment-powered palettes containing a variation of 9 dreamy mattes, high shine metallics, and next generation shimmer swirls, and this retails for $30. Here are the shades that are included, and as you'll see, all kind of pastel colors. You'll see some shimmers, some mattes, and that really interesting swirl there. Very, very interesting. All right, so my first impressions, I like purples. Not really that big of a fan of pastels though. These may actually swatch darker than they sit in the pan. Sometimes formulations have a tendency to do that, but you'll never know until you swatch them. So it's swatch time. So here are all 9 shades, and as you can see, they are really pigmented. The metallics very, very shiny, and this here is that kind of that marbled shade in the pan, and it is a duochrome, and when it comes off as a purplish pink metallic, it is stunning. So my first impressions of this palette, I like purples, and I'm not really a fan of pastels, but this didn't really give me that feel of like kind of ashy pastel colors. I think they swatched really nicely. The metallics in here, wow. I love the way that they came off, really smooth and pigmented. I wasn't going to swatch this because I wasn't really sure I was going to keep it, but I'm glad that I did because I really, really like it, and I'm looking forward to using it. Next item is from Otisite, and this is their Blue Aura Cleansing Water. This is a powerful no-rinse cleanser formulated to make cleansing quick, effective, and delicious. Energized by purifying herbs, this cleanser sweeps dirt away, makeup, and pollutants in one easy step, specifically formulated to combat skin-damaging pollutants before they take their toll, and this retails for $39. This is a really heavy glass bottle. Holding it while I was reading you the description just kind of reinforces that, you know, maybe I should be doing a little bit more exercising than I have been, which is none at this point. It could be used as a weapon, kind of a heavy thing, you know, maybe curls, I don't know, but super heavy. If you're in the bathroom and somebody's coming for you, you throw this because this becomes an immediate weapon. So I don't detect any scent from this. It does say on the front of the bottle turmeric and holy basil. I thought it was going to have kind of that basil type of smell to it, but it doesn't, which is kind of a good thing. I prefer not to have any fragrance in my products. Next up, we have from Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops. Illuminate the complexion and achieve a lit from within glow with new Soft Focus Glow Drops. This skincare makeup hybrid is the next generation wonder serum formulated with active ingredients to brighten the complexion and a gentle shimmer to instantly boost luminosity and glow. And this retails for $60. There is a dropper. Wow, okay. See, squeeze some of that in there. Here's the consistency of the product. So it is very smooth, and it is adding quite a bit of shine. I don't know what it's going to look like once it dries down, but here it is on the back of my hand. So it just feels kind of like an oil, but hopefully when it dries down there is that little bit of shimmer that will kind of come through your foundation and add that little bit of a inner glow. So as I've been rubbing this in, waiting for it to absorb into my skin, I noticed that it doesn't really have a dry down. It does have a little bit of a tacky feel to it. So in reading the packaging, it is a luminizing primer. So now I understand why it still feels a little tacky. It's a little maybe too tacky for my skin. I do have combination skin. I have an oily T-zone, so this might be a little bit too much and too hydrating for my skin. So I think I may try it once to see how it goes, but I have a feeling this is something I'm gonna pass on. And the next item I have is from Bali Balm, and this is their Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. The essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm its citrusy tropical aroma and a silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, supple lips, and this retails for $33. And I did receive this in another box, but that's okay because I really enjoyed this. I keep this by my nightstand and I use it every night since I've received it, and I couldn't be happier. So I know they usually try not to give you duplicates. It happens on occasion. I'm really happy that I got it again because now I have a backup. The last item in the box is from Tarte, and this is their Double Take Eyeliner. Get the perfect wing every time with these gel and liquid partners in line. This best-selling vegan dual-ended eyeliner has waterproof liquid and gel formulas will cause some serious double takes. This product is full size and is made just for charmers. This retails for $24. And here is the packaging. Really pretty. That black and gold just kind of stands out. So here we have the packaging and the actual product. On one side, here you see the pencil. And on this side, you'll see the liquid liner, perfect for that wing. Looks pretty nice to me. Now let's give it a swatch and see how it performs. Here we have the pencil side, and that came off really smooth. There was no tugging, no skipping. And here we have the liquid liner, and I tried to press down on the, it's a felt tip brush, to see how thick I could get it, and then also really lightly drag the tip across to see how thinly I could get the line. So pretty happy. It is a pretty black liquid liner. The pencil is black, but it could be a little bit deeper in my opinion. All right, well that was everything inside my base and my premium box. Really happy with everything that I received, and I am especially happy with the speed of delivery. I don't know how this happened, but please let's keep this going, because late deliveries up until the end of the month and sometimes even the month after are no fun. We don't like to chase these boxes around, and getting them on a timely fashion is always a plus and will keep me as a customer. I want to thank you all for helping me unbox the base and the premium box this month. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all next time. Bye everyone.